Budget-friendly recipes always have a way in my kitchen because one, they're going to be delicious, and two, you'll have very simple and basic ingredients to cook your recipe. So today we're going to be making peri peri noodles recipe, which is going to turn out delicious, filled with lots of veggies, healthy. Yeah, because we're going to add in lots of veggies and everything is going to turn out amazing. For this recipe, you need some onions, garlic, carrots, tomatoes, zucchini, or any other veggies that you have in your fridge. Also, you need some noodles, peri peri seasoning, which I absolutely love, adds in a very nice taste to food, and also it's a little bit spicy. Soy sauce and cooking oil together with some salt. So I'm going to get straight into cooking because I've already prepped up all my ingredients by adding in 1.5 tablespoons of cooking oil over medium flame to a pan. When the oil is hot, you're going to add in your diced onion and saute for around a minute until soft. When the onions are starting to brown, I'm going to add in 3 cloves of crushed garlic. Saute together with the onions until the garlic is very fragrant. That is going to take around 30 seconds. When the garlic gets that light golden brown color, you're going to add in carrots. Add in 1 large tomato. Stir in. And all these veggies are going to add in lots of nutrients because each veggie has different vitamins and minerals. So you're going to cook your tomatoes and carrots for around a minute. If you notice that your pan is drying out, add in a splash of water, which is going to help cook down the tomatoes. And to season, I'm going to add in my peri peri seasoning, half a teaspoon, soy sauce, about 1 teaspoon. Stir in the seasoning. When the tomatoes are cooked down and they're looking so delicious, just like this, you're going to add in 1.5 cups of water. Stir in everything. Add in the seasoning that comes with the noodles. Stir in the seasoning and drop in 2 bricks of noodles. Cook your noodles for around 1 minute, and then you're going to use a spatula and flip so that the noodles can cook through. It's going to take you around 3 to 4 minutes for you to cook the noodles until they are soft and tender. The seasoning that comes with the noodles is going to add in some more salt and chili to the peri peri noodles. Remember, we added in some soy sauce, which also is high in sodium. So be careful because you don't want to make the dish very salty. It's been around 2 minutes and everything is softening up. So at this point, I'm going to add in my zucchini. Stir in the zucchini and let everything simmer for another 2 minutes. Check on the noodles as they're cooking. After 2 minutes, the zucchini is going to be tender while the noodles are going to be well cooked. So it's time to serve my delicious noodles. So I'm going to pick a plate, put out the flames, check the seasoning. Oh, yum, so good. Once your peri peri noodles are ready, they're going to be looking incredibly delicious with different colors because we added in some zucchini, carrots, tomatoes, and the noodles itself. So the dish is going to be very colorful and looking appetizing. This kind of simple recipes always excite me because it's going to take around 5 to 10 minutes to cook this peri peri noodles dish. Enjoy!